That's heavy. Don't underestimate how heavy it is in them. Oh.
Ooh, that's
okay.
Do it, build it, make it. If you think that we created, do it, build it, make it. With Kim and Garrett, make it.
How would you like to turn a sheet of $5 MDF into $100 in sales and have fun doing it?
Today we're breaking down the 5 easiest holiday gifts that you can make and sell in 2025. And spoiler alert, you don't need any fancy materials or marketing degree.
These are quick, profitable, can be done on any laser, and are gift season gold. So grab your coffee and your laser, let's make some money.
If you're new here, every week we show you how to make money with your laser. We show you real projects that are easy to make, easy to sell, and have a high profit margin.
Basically, we burn stuff on purpose so that you don't have to waste time, money, or material trying to figure it out.
And sometimes we even make money doing it.
We've been watching what's trending across Pinterest, Etsy, Amazon, and the big box stores. And 2025 looks like it's the year of personalization and practicality.
People aren't just buying decor. They want thoughtful, customized items that feel handmade, but look high-end.
These 5 laser projects check all of the boxes. Low material cost, fast production time, and easy personalization. They're great for craft shows, holidays, or corporate gifting. Product number 1, keychains.
We're starting out small, but mighty.
These are like personalized little business cards that people actually keep. These are great for craft shows. They're great for add-ons, giveaways, bundles. They cost about $1, like even the little wooden ones, about $1 to make, and you could easily sell them for $8 to $15.
Especially if you're bundling together like this. So we have this with our names on it. They complete a heart, and so it's a his and hers set, or best friend set, or something like that. You can upsell, you sell 2 of them at one time, and it's personalized. And people love to give this because it has a sentimental value to it. The great thing about some of these keychains, if you're doing something like the one Garrett has in his hand, you can use scrap acrylic or scrap MDF, add a little paint, add an extra layer of acrylic, or if you have a UV printer, you can UV print some personalization on it. And you're using little bits of material that make a lot of money.
I mean, if you're using scraps, that's pretty much you pulling it out of the trash and you just made some money with it. That's how I feel. And I think if you do your smalls right and you got them placed right, you got them looking good, they could probably cover your booth fee.
Yeah, and what we found at our last show that was a big hit is we actually brought the RFID keychains. If you guys remember a few months ago, we did RFID keychains to show you something cool that you can make with keychains. We brought them to our last show and teens loved them.
They flew off the shelf. We were sold out. Teens were bringing back other teens being like, this is the booth I got it at. And we were sold out by then. It was crazy.
So you're adding a little gimmick. Again, it's a way for them to personalize it. They can put their own information on it, scan it with your Instagram. If you're a business owner, small business owner, or have a small business owner friend, and you want to give a gift like that you can put their Instagram logo on there, or just put the Instagram logo on there, or the TikTok logo, and put their website on it and give it to them as a gift that they can use when they're selling. They love that. Again, it's another personalized item.
The selling, but what I noticed is, 1, it was the teens, and then 2, there was a lot of parents that I helped put the phone number on it. They were putting them on the backpacks, like backpack tags.
Yep, that's another great angle to give if you're a grandparent giving it to kids or grandkids, something like that, where they could personalize it and scan it with information.
Yep, they just had the parent's phone number on there. I thought that was perfect. And if you're selling locally, do themed batches. People love their local thing, like RVA life, lake life. Around here we have the river, so we have river life. You know, personalize it like that. Give them like a hometown flavor and people love it.
Again, it's another great personalized gift that you can give someone that means something to them.
Yes.
Quick pause, because the only thing easier than making keychains is painting them with Foxy Hues paints.
We use Foxy Hues on all of our laser projects because it's a paint and primer in one, it's UV resistant, and it's self-sealing, which means we can skip the top coat.
So grab a few colors and see why so many makers are switching to Foxy Hues paints. We'll put the link down below.
Okay, back to gifts that practically sell themselves. Product number 2, personalized ornaments.
We say this every year, ornaments practically pay the bills.
Now these are great because you can make them out of practically anything. You can make them out of acrylic, MDF, birch. You can layer the wood, you can layer the acrylic. We've done glass bowls that we've layered and then put the paint on the inside. They look great. You can personalize them by putting a last name on there, a year on there, and then they'll keep coming back every year.
Family silhouettes.
Family silhouettes. People love these personalized ornaments. They eat them up and they sell amazing.
They sell for anywhere from $10 to $20 and people rarely buy one, especially if you can bundle them and give them as a family ornament. So if you could sell them in bundles of 5, and then every member of the family, your brother, sister, grandmother, they all get one, and it's a family ornament for 2025. It's the perfect thing. And bundling them like that makes them want to come back for another set next year, because now it's a family tradition to have a family ornament.
And we were doing some of these on the spot. We were personalizing them on the spot with the little, what are those? The stockings. They were hanging from the little chimney or the little fireplace.
Yep, it's right here.
Oh, right there.
Yep.
We couldn't keep those in stock, especially when people would see the laser go and they come to look at the laser. They'd see that people were getting their names on the stockings, standing in line. It was great. Again, another thing that sells well. I mean, these sell themselves.
Put them in a clear box with a couple of little shreds so they can see that they're a bundle or see what's in the box, and they'll sell like crazy because they're gift ready.
Product number 3, gift tags. Now these little guys right here are sneaky profitable. You take a plain old gift, you throw one of these guys on there, and bam, you got yourself a keepsake.
And you can make these out of wood or acrylic. You can add a little to or from to them. You can add a year to them. You can sell them in bulk packs, let's say for wedding gifts. So it's a keepsake from a wedding for this year.
And I love these little guys. You can do them layered or engraved, but I love these tiny little engraved ones because I can easily fit 30 of these on a sheet of 12 by 19. Throw them in your desktop laser, bam, you got yourself a couple of $100 that only cost you like $5 in materials. And that's another reason I love these littles.
And I almost forgot to mention, you could sell these in bulk packs. So something like we've done here that says a little gift that says something you want, something you do, something you read, something you need, something you share. I love these. This is a pack of 6. And you can sell these at a little higher price point because there are 6 in the pack. And again, still have a great profit margin. And what a little keepsake each of these are. It makes it so exciting when you see these under the tree, because then you're wondering, what is it?
I mean, I thought you had a great idea about using these for like cruises or a family vacation where you give little prizes along the way or a little gift along the way or whatever. And yeah, it totally makes this a keepsake. I love the gift tags. Product number 4, hats and hat patches. Now these are booming. Hats are hot and they're easy to do. They're super cheap. Like the blank hats are like $3 to $5. Patches are pennies, whether it's leather or the acrylic. And then you can easily sell these for $25 to $35.
You can batch engrave a bunch of patches, and then you can use your hat press to press them on, or you can get your durable adhesive from Lone Star Acrylic or some 3M adhesive, and you can attach it right to the front. I was going to do it to him. I was going to slap this right on there.
I thought she was really going to do it. You can add a logo from a local business or a local sports team, like a high school team. These are B2B gold.
And if you're going to craft shows, seriously, these will sell, and hat bars are super popular right now.
Are so in style right now.
So even if you just have a section of your booth where you're selling hats and hat patches, it's a profitable niche and it's big right now. People love the hat patches.
People love hats. I love a hat, and if I could get a hat that says things from like places I've been, I'm in. I'm in on a hat quicker than I am in on like a refrigerator magnet.
Yes, you are. And I love hats. For me, I love hats that have funny sayings on them, that say something snarky, so that when people look at you, they have a conversation, they look at your hat, and that makes them laugh. I mean, I do it with the t-shirts. We get compliments all the time on our t-shirts. Same thing with the hats and the hat patches. So if you're at a craft show and somebody sees something that's relatable and they have a friend that they think it's perfect for, it's another great personalized gift or something that evokes some emotion, and it's a great gift.
And emotion sells. Product number 5, cutting boards.
The gift that keeps on slicing.
Now, engraved cutting boards are timeless. They're like a classic keepsake. And these are perfect for weddings, anniversary, or even corporate gifts. We get a cutting board that's engraved with one of our vendors' logos on it every year for Christmas. So we got a lot of cutting boards with somebody else's logo on it.
Yeah, kills us a little bit. You can find these pretty affordably. You can get these for about $5, and then depending upon the personalization, sell them anywhere from $30 to $50, especially if you're putting something like a custom recipe.
Like grandma's recipe.
In grandma's handwriting.
Oh, yeah.
You could put a family name. You can put coordinates. There's lots of ways to add that sentimental touch to these cutting boards.
Pro tip, seal these with some food safe mineral oil, add a ribbon and a tag, and boom, look at this. You got yourself a keepsake, like I was saying earlier, because presentation matters. They're not just buying a piece of material, they're buying something heartfelt that you put some thought into when you're picking it out.
And it definitely looks high end.
Here's the big takeaway. You don't need to reinvent the wheel to make money with your laser.
It's all about creating repeatable, giftable products with a high perceived value.
Stage your photos so that it looks like you're selling an experience and not just some materials. If things look giftable, gift ready, right, they'll pay gift prices.
And batch production is your best friend. The more consistent you are with your workflow, the more money you can earn. And a huge shout out to our Patreon family for supporting these videos and helping us test new designs each week.
If you want early access to our laser files, some business tips, and behind the scenes content, you should join us over on our Master It tier.
We would love to have you as part of the Make It Mafia.
Well, there you have it. There's our top 5 easiest laser gifts that you can make and will sell themselves in this important 4th quarter. Well, I am about out of time. I gotta go cut some more of these Christmas ornaments.
And I gotta go paint them.
And you gotta go make some smalls of your own. And we will see you next week. We'll do it, build it, and make it again. I'm bringing it back. Ah, you thought I was gonna balance the cutting board, but I'm gonna balance the tree.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
That's heavy. Don't underestimate how heavy it is. And I'm,
Ooh, that's a go. That's
okay. Nice.